Happy Sunday. Welcome to Cosying Up with Essy, where we do all things DIY, home decor and organization, hauls, tips and hacks for your home. My name is Esther and welcome back again to a home of little cozy and inexpensive ideas. Today's video I'm back again with another DIY. So today we are doing a DIY mirror wall hanging. So I have been loving Pinterest inspired mirror decors, and I had some mirrors to spare in the house, so I'm going to be using a small round mirror and I'm going to be making it turning it into a wall decor. I'm going to be using bamboo skewers. You can use any bamboo skewers that you have, or you can also use drinking straws or just sticks, even sticks. Actually, by the way, you can even use sticks from your backyard or from let's say a tree that is nearby your area. Guys, come along with me and I hope you enjoyed the video. So to this supplies are bamboo skewers, this DIY, this mirror, and I am going to be using my cutter, my pencil and my ruler. So first of all, I am placing at least 4, just to have a compass of what I want, where I want the other sticks to go, and then I'm going to be measuring different measurements of the sticks, and then I'm going to be placing them in different positions. So once I'm done doing this, I'm going to hot glue them in place, and then we are going to go to the next step. So guys, watch until the end to see how I'm going to do this using my hot glue gun. So as you can see, I'm just placing hot glue and gluing the sticks together. I have different varying lengths of the sticks, which is what I wanted. So I'm going to do this, guys, with you. Just follow through. It's something easy that you can also do as well. Just placing some hot glue on the back side of the mirror. So we are not using the front side, and then hot gluing the sticks and just playing around with the positions of the sticks so that you can get a desired effect. Then one thing I like doing is when I finish gluing everything down, I just pass the hot glue on top so that I can have fully steady sticks. So once I'm going to do that, I'm just going to take a piece of yarn. I'm going to be using macrame yarn and just placing it on a rotation mode on the stick so that you can have more sophisticated look. So I'm going to do that once, and then we're going to continue. So here I have my DIY mirror, the back and the front part. So it's time to spray paint it. I don't want to spray paint the whole of it, so I'm going to spray paint the center and a few parts of the stick. So what I'm doing here, I have already placed some masking tape inside the mirror so that the mirror part cannot get the paint. Then spray painting, I'm using black matte spray paint. You can use any color that you want. You can also mix colors if that's what you like. I like the effect that it gives me, the variation of black and then the bamboo skewer color. So that's what I want. I have already spray painted and I let it dry. So now I can remove the masking tape, and as you can see, the mirror is not destroyed and it's not painted. So I'm going to have a very nice mirror. Then the next thing is mounting up on the wall, which I do using my glue gun. I hot glue the back part of the mirror and then I stick it on the wall. I really love how the mirror turned out. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, what you think. I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. It was such a nice DIY. I have been wanting to do such mirror decor pieces, and yeah, I had a mirror to spare and I did that. So guys, let me know in the comment section below what you think of my DIY mirror and if it's something that you'd love to do or make for your home. And yeah, last time I did a DIY rope mirror, so if you haven't seen that, you can check. I'll leave the suggestion up here so that you guys can just click on that and see how I did the DIY rope mirror. So yeah, this is such a good DIY to just upcycle different items in your house. And for this mirror, it was a set of mirrors, but this one just fell and broke. So the outer casing of that mirror broke. So now I wanted to recycle it and just make something nice out of it. So let me know in the comment section below if it's something that you love to do, and if you do something like this, tag me on my social media pages. And yeah, guys, I'm going to give a shout out to you guys. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't joined the DIY family yet, kindly hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Cheers, guys, have a lovely week and see you in the next one.